Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dreamy magical water effects in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to design a touching water visual that blend realism with the touch of fantasy. We'll start by choosing a calm water based image and enhance its tones with color balance and hue saturation. Next we will use soft gradient overlays in blue, teal and purple to create magical depth. You will learn to add sparkles, ripples and glowing reflections using custom brushes and layer effect. We will apply Gaussian blur to soften transitions and make with the glow natural. Then we will paint light trails and mist using a soft white brush set to overlay mode to add